It's really freaking good, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna try a recipe called banana cream pie. I found it in this book right here. Check out our Amazon store for more information. And we're gonna use Gubba Gold Vanilla Rum. This stuff is fantastic. The first ingredient of banana cream pie is fresh banana. Throw that in your blender cup. It already smells freaking good in here, guys. Next, we're gonna put in 2 ounces of heavy cream. Something that doesn't taste good in this world, you either add coconut cream or heavy cream, and it'll taste good. Believe that. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of Gubba Gold Vanilla Rum. I got this from cdvspirits.com, and I used discount code CAFEAMORE. I saved 5%, and it came right to my door. This is a hard vanilla rum to find. I've looked all over my local liquor stores to find it. Nobody carries it, but CDV Spirits has it. Ordered online, right to your door. How could you ask for more? 2 ounces. The perfect pour. Banana rum. Now, I bought this bottle of banana rum thinking that I was going to use it for 1 cocktail in 1 video, and I ended up using it for like 5 so far. So, I don't know, guys. Go out and buy yourself a bottle of banana rum because it seems to be pretty versatile. And give it a spin. This is Amora. I like to throw a little bit of ice in this bad boy because, you know, cold drinks are better than warm. Grab out your favorite cocktail glasses. I will put these bad boys in the freezer if I were you. And go ahead and pour a little bit out for you and your Mrs. Amora. Now get a fresh nutmeg and a microplane. If you don't have a microplane, get one of these bad boys. They're very versatile. And freshly shaved nutmeg is better than anything you'll ever taste. All right, guys, so let's see about the banana cream pie. Oh, behave. Let's give it the old college try. And before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Now, I made 2 because I'm pretty sure Mrs. Amora is going to steal it if I don't. So there's one from Mrs. Amora. Cheers. Oh, shit. That is, whoa. What the hell is that? Woo! That's freaking good.